Hi folks, I'm Marty Martin and today we're going to be covering a wonderful world. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about science blues, don't know much about the French I do, but I do know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be. Don't know much about geography, don't know much trigonometry, don't know much about algebra, don't know what a slide rule is for, but I know that 1 and 1 is 2, and if this one could be with you, what a wonderful world this would be. No, I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be. Or maybe by being an A student, baby, I can win your love for me. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about science books, don't know much about the French I do, but I do know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be. What a wonderful world this would be. So that's the song played through at a reasonable speed. What I'm going to do now is break down that song and show you how to do the rhythm pattern for that. And it's basically down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And if I put that to the verse, it'll sound like this. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about science books, don't know much about the French I took, but I do know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be. Don't know much about geography, don't know much trigonometry, don't know much about algebra, I don't know what a slide rule is for, but I know that 1 and 1 is 2, and if this one could be with you, what a wonderful world this would be. Now I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be. For maybe by being an A student, baby, I can win your love for me. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about science books, don't know much about the French I too, but I do know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be. What a wonderful world this would be. So that's it, folks. Basically broken down into a manageable strum pattern. And if you just follow that strum pattern the whole way through this song, you'll have no problems singing and playing along with this. So hopefully that will be helpful.